Hello. Are you someone who's looking to build a career in the automotive aftermarket sector? Automotive aftermarket includes the sectors like repair and diagnostics, also ECU tuning, performance modification, car detailing, and a whole lot of other things. Now, you might already know that this is one of the fastest growing job markets in India, and the whole sector is expected to create around 10 lakh plus jobs over the next 5 to 6 years. So now, if you're someone who's interested in this, then this workshop is meant exactly for you. So our workshop on ECU tuning and automotive diagnostics. So why do we learn or why do we combine ECU tuning along with automotive diagnostics and repair? As you know, ECUs pretty much run any modern car these days, and without the ECU, there is no car which is going to run on the road. So now, if you want to even just concentrate on repairing those cars, the general consensus is that more than 50 to 60% of problems, the really troublesome problems, it happens because of the ECU or something to do with the ECU. So take any modern day car, and if you have to really know how to start working with these cars, if you want to know how to repair them or even diagnose them, or maybe you just are interested in building your own car, you need to understand how those car works. You really can't do that without understanding the ECU portion, which is why in this workshop, in this interactive workshop, we've combined ECU tuning along with automotive diagnostics, and we are presenting it to you as an interactive online workshop. This not just covers ECU tuning, but you primarily learn all about the automotive fundamentals, vehicle electronics, in addition to the tuning and diagnostic modules. Now, just to look a bit more detail into what exactly you will be learning about. So the modules are organized under these 7 chapters. So you would have automotive fundamentals, automotive electronic fundamentals, mechatronics, ECU architecture and wiring, and then we move into the actual ECU tuning modules, and then on to the repair and diagnosis. Repair and diagnosis will primarily be looking at diagnosis of electrical systems as well as diagnosis of electronic systems. So this is just an overview about what you would be learning. So the hands-on skills which you can expect to get after completing this course is you would know how to use a multimeter or an oscilloscope for diagnosing vehicle problems. You would know how to tune ECUs using a software like Tuner Studio. You can troubleshoot using just electrical wiring diagrams and flowcharts. At most times, if someone tells you a problem, if you have the wiring diagram and flowcharts, through a process of elimination, you would be able to diagnose what could possibly be the problem without even having to go to the car. Right. So that's the kind of skill sets you would have. And of course, you would also know how to use a standard scan tool and using the scan tool to data log some cars and bikes. So hope this meets your learning requirements. Happy to welcome you on board. Thank you.